Today's style study will explore different ways to wear the double-stitched twins remix swimsuit and very popular overhead sleeves designs. Look number 1, simply layer your overhead sleeves with the drapey side to the front on top of your swimsuit for an eclectic and colorful summer look. Look number 2, pull the front of the overhead sleeve over the shoulders to wear like a shrug to showcase the intricate motif design. Look number 3, with the tailored side of the sleeves to the front, wear as a shrug and pair with jeans. Look number 4, with the straight edge of the sleeves to the front, push off the shoulders and pair with nice heels for a sexy nightlife look. Number 5, layer the overhead sleeves over a classic all-white summer look with a pop of color. And for number 6, of course, you can shrug your overhead sleeves for a more open look. We've shared a few ways that you can add these items to your favorite summer looks. Feel free to give them a try or create your own. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video.